Hi, my name is Luis Fernandez, Director of the Dominguez Rancho Adobe Museum. And every November, we actually celebrate for years now the Day of the Dead, or the Dia de Muertos celebration to honor those who have now passed on. And on our grounds, first week of November, you actually will find ofrendas or altars from the community honoring their loved ones who have now passed on. This is a celebration of life and remembrance of those we love, we continue to love, and forever will love. And so this is the Dia de Muertos at the Dominguez Rancho Adobe Museum, where we honor the lives of those who have passed on. Enjoy.
Para el habitante de Nueva York, París o Londres, la muerte es la palabra que jamás se pronuncia porque quema los labios. El mexicano, en cambio, la frecuenta, la burla, la acaricia, duerme con ella, la festeja, es uno de sus juguetes favoritos y su amor más permanente. Octavio Paz. Dia de Muertos is a Mexican holiday that is celebrated the first 2 days of November. All Saints' Day is November 1st, and All Souls' Day is on November 2nd. These are the days to celebrate, remember, and prepare special foods in honor of our departed loved ones. Indigenous populations in Mesoamerica, including the Mexica, the Purépecha, the Mayans, and the Toltecs, commemorated the deceased. Special months were dedicated to honor the deceased based on the death of a child or the death of an adult. Other months were associated with how the person died, like in drowning, in childbirth, or in warfare. During these months of celebration, indigenous people believed that the deceased would return and that they would need to offer them gifts, providing them flowers, food, incense, dances, and music was a way of gaining the favor of the deceased. Ofrendas are not for worship. They are used to beckon spirits from Mictlan, or the indigenous name for the place of the dead. A traditional ofrenda consists of 3-tier structure. The first tier identifies the person or persons invited to the ofrenda with photos or representations of the deceased. The second tier are things to encourage the deceased to feel at home and welcome, such as favorite food items. The third tier contains lit candles to guide the spirits home, and might also have a wash basin, a mirror, soap, and a towel so that the travelers can see and refresh themselves upon arrival. Here at the Dominguez Rancho Adobe Museum, at our Dia de Muertos event, it is a day of celebration, honoring the dead, and celebration of food, festivities, and family.
Bye.